Hi there! In this video, we're checking out the FirstPower LP-E17 battery. This is a replacement for the Canon LP-E17, which is used in a wide variety of Canon cameras. Here is everything you get in the box: the charger, two batteries, and a charging cable. Tucked underneath, we also have a manual and a microfiber cloth. Let's go over the details, starting with the manual. It covers all the specs and everything you need to know. Next is the included microfiber cloth. It's actually quite nice and perfect for cleaning your camera screen. Then we have the charging cable, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It feels thicker than usual, suggesting it's high quality. Now let's look at the batteries themselves. They feel very solid, actually a bit heavier than the original Canon batteries, and you get two of them in this kit. Here is the charger. The sticker on the screen conveniently lists the instructions for fast charging. There is a power button on the right side and the USB Type-C port is located on the left. Inside the charging case, you'll find slots for both batteries, and the lid even features a built-in storage for your SD cards. I'm putting the two batteries into the case now. You can see they lock in securely thanks to the latch design. Pressing the button on the right turns the screen on, displaying the exact charge percent for each individual battery. Now I'll demo the charging. I'm using a 100-watt charger, which is more than enough power. As it charges, the screen displays the wattage for each battery. It's impressively fast. I was actually watching the percentage climb in real time, and I'm very impressed with the speed. Finally, I'll test the battery in my Canon R100. The camera powers on perfectly, and as you can see, the battery is fully recognized by the camera, showing the accurate battery level on the display. Overall, I'm very impressed with this battery and fast charger combo, and I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.